Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how you can add a contact form. Basically जब आप अपनी किसी वेबसाइट पे contact us पेज पर contact form ऐड किस तरह कर सकते हैं उसके अबाउट हम बात करेंगे आज. So let's create our contact form. Open your website. And go to the dashboard of your website. Here is the dashboard of my website. Okay, create the contact form in 3 steps. First step is install a plugin. Here is the plugin option, add new plugin. Write your plugin name, Ninja Forms. Here is the Ninja form. Install now and activate. Activate. Okay, the second step of go to Ninja form. Here is the option of Ninja form. This is the Ninja form. Open your dashboard of Ninja form. Yes, help make Ninja form better. Yes, yes, agree. Thank you for option. Here is the default contact form. Delete this form. Okay, add new. Here is the option of blank form, collect feedback, contact us, delete data request, event registration, export data request, journal inquiry, job application. Here's the some type of forms. So we select contact us form, import this form. Okay. Here is the form. Click on the publish page button. Okay, this form is published properly. Now go to your contact us page. Click on the page button. Click on add new because I want to create a new page. By the name of contact simple. Now your page is created and click on the plus button. Here is the option Ninja form. Click on the Ninja form and select the form contact me. This is your contact me form. Here is the name, email, message and submit button. Now you can update and view page. This is your contact form created on your contact us page. This page is created successfully.
I dream of freedom, I dream of peace of mind, I dream of love, supernatural love.